아,
아빠.
블랑이. 블랑이.
블랑이.
Do it, bro.
블랑이.
He looks so proud of his work.
봤다.过来，科长，科长，
What's going on here?
Heck the evil vacuum.
Oh, Dark Lord Raccoon has returned.
A reminder to eat your carrot. Always ready for some belly rubs. It be like that sometimes. A politer chihuahua. Ubait babay sperhuman.
I
Dreamy
said, do you
massages.
wanna fight me? Do you wanna catch his hands? Bitch, I'll catch you in the streets. I'm with that beef. Bitch, I'll beat your ass.
Go away, ya puprazzi. I'll never let go. I'm all ears. It's a sausage pizza party. It's clear who's the MVP here. Just catching some air.
What you want to say to Nikki?
Lost in translation.
Okay. Nikki, Louis want to say Okay, I say to him. Nikki want to say to you. Who want to say to you?
Must resist the temptation. No, it's mine. I can eat that homework for you if you like. No one is more important than food.
你往过来，给我。你往来。你往过来，你往过来。哦，有来。哦，有来了来了，到了到了。
Sending some happy stay-home vibes to all our friends around the world.
One hour later.
Stay back home and not safe here.
2 hours later. Three hours later. Six hours later.
The outfit you picked, ma'am, is going to look fabulous. I know. I can't wait for everyone to see it too. Yes, ma'am.
Make me the prettiest girl.
Whoa. Such a bold choice, ma'am. I love it. Let me see. Oh! Would you like bronzer or highlighter today? Highlighter, okay. I love when you choose highlighter. Yes, ma'am. Let's curl them lashes. Oh my. We gotta separate them before the mascara. Yes, ma'am. Get your mascara to make them eyes pop. Whoa. Which one? Okay. We love the new spark. Oh, you love it? Yeah. That said it. Shh, shh. Oh my. You're the most beautiful ballerina I ever did see.
Excuse me, miss. Excuse me. Hey, excuse me. Can you stop being so cute?
Paws in the air. When nachos shimmered on to chimanayin. Splish splash with the duckies. Still a 10. The Mona Shiba smile. Those ears are about to take off.
Hey, Belle, let's go over your top 5 descriptions, okay? Coming in at number 5, ponytail pulled back too tight. Yeah. Number 4, left-handed drawing, Belle. Yeah, what did you think about that? Number 3, childhood drawing brought to life. Are you puzzled by that one? You look puzzled. Number 2, Arabian sand boa. Number 1, Scooby-Doo. There you go, Belle.